first came to school. Sometimes we cried, but our teachers helped us, loved us, and made us and feel happy. We learned our ABC. We learned our 1, 2, 3. We learned rhymes, stories, and good manners. Good activities in our school. We learn discipline. We learn